Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 16th, and we are going to take a look at the Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Tesla had an okay day today. So we are up $1.16, 0.15% at $756.99. Post-market, we seem to be up by 11 cents a little bit. What does this look like on the chart? So we have a green candle, always nice. We have a longer wick at the bottom, so a little bit of a buying pressure during the day. We are still below this resistance here. Can it be more precise than that? I'm not sure, but we are right smack on that resistance. This is really confirming that the resistance is something that the stock is considering a lot. So let's look at the 1 hour chart to see if we cannot understand something different here. We opened up right here, went down a little bit, then sideways going up, but a very weak volatility. The stock did not move a lot. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators. Nothing must have moved very much either. 92 for stochastic. RSI a little bit above resistance. MACD still crossover bullish and DMI still crossover bullish. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here until we break this resistance. So this is what we need to watch. If it does not break, the stock is supposed to just go back and forth. So this is the pattern that the stock is in right now, unless it breaks either to the above the resistance or below break the support. Let's just keep watching this resistance here. Of course, people that want to go long will want the stock to just come down to this bigger support that we have here in this bullish channel. So if the stock goes back here, we might be able to buy Tesla at 720 or so again. So that would be nice. Let's just see what happens. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You can become a member to entice me to keep doing these videos. There is a TradingView affiliate link if you want to use these fantastic resistance alerts. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.